Canvas Studio provides a screen recording feature for capturing your computer screen, webcam, and microphone for a video presentation. This guide will walk you through the steps of setup, screen capturing, editing, and submitting as an assignment.
First, you are going to want to click on the Studio option in your course. Next, hover over the Create icon and click it. Select Screencast-o-Matic from the drop-down menu.
You may need to download the Canvas Studio Screen Recorder program before proceeding. Before recording, you're going to want to select the sources of what is being recorded. Your options are Screen, which is just the computer screen, Webcam, which only captures the webcam, or both. The next section to consider is Size. You will want to set the size to capture the parts of the screen you want seen. Anything that falls outside the dotted line will not be video recorded. Most users prefer to capture the entire screen when video recording. The next two options are your audio options. The first is called Narration, which is the microphone that you are using to capture your voice audio during the presentation. You can choose a different source if you do not want to use your onboard microphone. If you select the None option, no audio will be recorded from your microphone. The second audio option is called Computer Audio. This option captures audio that is played from your computer in high quality. You can disable this audio by clicking the arrow next to Computer Audio and selecting No. Computer audio is useful to capture if it is an integral part of your presentation. Before recording your screen, you're going to want to do some housekeeping. Close all non-essential tabs and set your taskbar to hide mode to optimize your screen space. Click the Record button and a countdown will appear on your screen. When the countdown ends, your screen recording will be active and you can begin presenting. A recording timecode will indicate that you are recording video and you can pause at any time. When you are done recording, you have two options. If you are not satisfied with your video, you can click the trash can button to delete it. If you are satisfied with the presentation, click the Done button. The Done button will open the preview window. Here you can enter the title of the video's description, and edit the start and end points of the video. You can click the Edit button to enter additional editing options such as disabling audio tracks, disabling your cursor, or turning on or off your webcam. There are more features in this editing mode that we won't cover here that include adding a music track, controlling the video's playback speed, and adding a supplementary narration audio track. When editing is complete, click the Done button. Once you are satisfied with all your video edits, click the Upload button. A loading bar will appear indicating that the video is being uploaded into your Canvas Studio library. When the message Upload Successful appears, click the Continue button. Your screen recording will now appear in the Canvas Studio library. Click the View button of your screen recording video and navigate to the Captions section. Under the Captions Request section on the left, select the language of your video and click Request. This will allow for the automatic captioning process in Canvas Studio to take place so that your content satisfies ADA compliance.
When auto captioning is complete, you can review and publish your captions to make them active on your video. You will now submit your video as an assignment in your Canvas course. In the course navigation, click the Assignments link. Click the name of the assignment. Click the Start Assignment button. Click the Studio tab. Locate your screen capture video. You can use the search bar to quickly find your video. Hover over the media you want to select. then click the Select button. Leave the Embed setting to their default and click Embed. The website URL displays for your media selected. You can click the Change button if you selected the wrong video. Finally, to submit the assignment, click the Submit Assignment button. You can view your submission for verification. To view your media submission, click the Submission Details link. To resubmit your media, click the New Attempt button. Screen recording can be a useful tool for presenting information for an assignment in your Canvas course.